You've probably clicked on this video because you feel kind of lonely. And that's alright, my friend. I get it. I know how it feels. Maybe you recognize the song that you're hearing right now. It's the most nostalgic song I know. Well, actually one of the most nostalgic songs. It's from the game Minecraft. And sometimes when I listen back to this, I just remember that it's not the same. For some reason, everything changed. It's not like it used to be. And I'm not sure if anybody on this whole planet knows how this makes me feel. It's just different nowadays. I'm grown up, I'm 19. I'm not a kid anymore. And it sometimes makes me feel kind of sad. Now there's this one tool that really helped me to deal with this emotion, to deal with loneliness. It's really the best tool in my opinion I've ever seen on this topic, really. And it's extremely simple. This tool contains 3 steps. The first step is change your physiology, which basically means change the way your body is moving. Instead of sitting down like this, looking at the floor, put your chest up, chin up, and smile. Even if it's forced, if you smile, your brain will make sure you feel better. So for the rest of this video, make sure you sit up and smile. Number 2 is change the words you're using. Words can have a bigger impact on the way you feel than you think. Instead of using words like I'm depressed, I'm lonely, or I'm feeling angry, use words like I'm just relaxed, I'm just a little bit calm. Third step is change your focus. If you keep focusing on the negative emotion that you're experiencing, it's not gonna go away. So the best thing you can do is do something else. Now, I want you to remember one thing. You can use these tools as much as you want. There's no limit to this stuff. If you ever experience a negative emotion, make sure to come back to this video and know that this is a safe place. If you want to share your story, make sure to do so in the comments. All right, have a good day. See you in the next one.